Hi students of class 2. Today we are going to start chapter 1, that is computer and electronic device. Everyone get ready with the book, page number 7. Along with the book, please take a pencil in your hand if you want to write something or underline something in the book. So everyone get ready with the book and the pencil and let us start the class. Page number 7. Chapter 1, Computer and Electronic Device. In the last class I have explained that what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter. That are, we will identify the IPO cycle, that is the input process output process of the IPO cycle, and we will explain how humans are different from computers, and also we are going to list some of the advantages and disadvantages of using a computer. So let us start. Before we start the chapter, in the first page we have a get going. Let us do that in the book with the pencil. Let us read the question. Can you fill in the blank to say what you will get? You can take help from the hints given below. So, here are some dirty clothes and the washing machine is here. So here it is showing this is the input, and when we put this input over here, it will process, and finally after processing, what output we will get. So when the dirty clothes are kept in the washing machine and after the washing machine works, what we get as the output? We get washed clothes. Over here it is given in the hint, washed clothes. Everyone please write with me. Washed clothes. Next. Tray filled, water filled in tray, and this tray is kept inside the refrigerator. After some time from the refrigerator, what we will get? We will get ice cubes inside this tray. The water will turn into ice. So we are going to get ice cubes. Everyone please write with me. Ice cubes. So when the dirty clothes are kept in the washing machine, we get the washed clothes. When the tray filled with water is kept inside the refrigerator, we get ice cubes. So the get going is done. Now please turn the page and let us start the chapter. How does a computer work? A computer is an electronic device. It is made of electronic parts. It needs data and instructions to do some work. Different parts of the computer do different work. It follows 3 basic steps: input, process, output. So, how a computer or a machine works? As we all know that the computer is an electronic device, and electronic device is always made of some electronic parts. It needs some data and instruction to do some work. Different parts of the computer do different work, and it follows the 3 basic steps always, that is the input, process, output. Now let us see some examples how this input, process, output took place. Now first we have some paper and color pencil. We can say this as input. After that we are doing drawing or coloring. That is called the process. After the drawing and coloring, we get a nice fish or a nice picture on the paper using the color pencil. That is the output. So input, process, output. Next, first we have milk and mangoes. When we are putting this milk and mangoes into a mixer, that is the process. And when we are working on it, after that we are getting the output as a mango shake. So input, process and output we are getting. In the same way, the computer system also works in the method of, or in the three basic steps of input, process, output. Now let us see the input. What is input in terms of computer? The computer takes in data and instructions through input devices like the keyboard and mouse. So the computer takes in data and instruction through the input devices. What are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Using the mouse and using the keyboard, we give the input to the computer system. Next, process. The CPU. This is the CPU, we all know. The CPU works on the data and does all calculations. This is called processing. So whenever we are giving the input to the computer, the CPU works on those data and does all the calculations according to the instructions we have given using the input. And this process is called the processing. Please turn the page. Finally, the result obtained after processing is called output. Monitor or printer are commonly used output devices. The result obtained after processing is called output. Monitor or printer are commonly used output devices. So this is called an IPO cycle, input, process, output cycle. Now let us see in terms of computer. Using the keyboard, we are giving the instruction as 3, 2 plus. That means we have to add 3 and 2. This instruction is given to the CPU. That is 3 plus 2. The CPU have to calculate. And finally, the CPU is giving the answer to the output device, that is the printer, will show us the result as 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So here we end the class today. Next day we will continue from page number 9. Today in the CW work we have done page 7, 8 and 9. So the CW work is clear. HW will be to read the 3 pages that we have done. And how will you read it? Line by line, as I have shown it during the class. Read the chapter, read page 7, 8 and 9 line by line for homework today. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So, and if you have any query, you can write in the Telegram too. I will reply you back with your query. So class, everyone stay at home, stay healthy, please study at home and bye-bye.